TFNN. Headline News Update.
Good morning, everybody. I'm Tommy O'Brien coming to you live from TFNN, 9 a.m. Eastern Time, Thursday morning. 30 minutes to go until the opening bell. And we got markets in positive territory, but well off the highs this morning. S&P's positive by 11 points, trading at 24.59. The Dow up 80 points, trading at 20,808. NASDAQ up 14. This all happening with a new weekly jobless claims record all time. 6.6 million jobs, weekly jobless claims coming in this morning at 8:30 a.m. That brings the two-week total to about 10 million. Last week, we were at about 3.3. This week, 6.6, almost 10 million jobs, weekly jobless claims numbers coming in. Tomorrow morning, 8:30 a.m., 23 and a half hours from right now, we get the non-farm payrolls number. Quite an interesting number. I imagine that's going to be for the month of March. Let's start things off. We'll start it off with a chart of the S&P. We'll pull them up. There's your S&P 500, 2459. You see we were trading at almost about 2,500 at 8 a.m. and above that level, actually, briefly at 415. And the sell-off began at 8:30, trading lower on the weekly jobless number. NASDAQ 100, 7454. You see that drop as well. The lows overnight, 7405. Dow 30, 20,811. That's about 300 to almost 400 points below where we were trading at this morning. Crude oil market trading higher, $22.16 right now. We've got the gold contract trading at $16.19, and the euro-US dollar now under 109 at 108.80. The numbers for the total of confirmed cases in the globe, 952,000. The total deaths approaching 50,000. The U.S., though, staggering as well, 216,000 now for the U.S. alone. Total deaths exceeding 5,100. New York City alone, 1,374. I had some, where we go? Thought I had a chart up here. That's all right. We're going to jump around to some of the FANG stocks. We'll start it off, though, with the VIX. That VIX spiking on the market, trading a bit lower. We were at about 53, trading now at about 55.11. And checking in on some of the giants out there, Amazon 19.11, Apple shares this morning up a bit at 241. Microsoft trading at 152. You see all the sell-off in all of these equities in the last few minutes, trading from about 155 to 152.38. Stay tuned, folks. Larry Pesvento coming up live with Trade What You See. I'll be back at 10 o'clock with Tom. Fast Market at 11. Of course, Basil Chapman, Steve Rhodes, Dave White, Tom O'Brien, all this afternoon. 6.6 million weekly jobless claims, non-farm payrolls tomorrow morning. 30 minutes to go until that opening bell. Stay tuned, folks. We'll be right back.